just got my invasive species kit, all about the Asian Longhorned Beetle. Today I'll show you how to put together your A.L.B puzzle so we can spread more awareness. Ready? I just got my box. I'm not going to be coloring it today, but what you'll be needing are your instructions, your antennas, and your puzzle pieces. Now it's time to pop out our pieces. Now it's time to put our puzzle together. First, you're going to need your leg connector and your 6 legs. Now you're going to put them in, but don't put them in this slot. Now it looks like a spider. Now for step number 4, you are going to want to get your body connector. Now we're going to hook the big slot right here and the little slot on the other plates. Pay close attention to the instruction pictures. And now we are going on to step number 5. So you're going to want your body base and your 2 abdomen connectors. And you're going to hook them in like this. And when you hook them in, you're going to want to pinch them like this so they stay in. And you're going to hook them on this big slot. So they go all the way down. Now we're on number 7. We are going to want to get our 3 abdomen pieces. They are numbered 1, 2, 3, biggest to smallest. Starting with number 1, 2, and 3. Now we're on number 8. We are going to hook our 3 head pieces. They're labeled smallest to largest, 1 to 3. Starting with 1, we're going to hook the pointy sides into the wing part. We're going to go smallest to largest, like that. And now we are on number 9, and we're going to hook our mandible on this little slot all the way down here on the body connector. Now it's time to twist your antennas. You're going to grab them at the top and twist them over like this. Now it looks like this, like a candy cane. Now it's time for step 11. Grab your headpiece and you are going to put them in the inside hole. And you might hear my pet chickens. They're a little bit crazy. And they want to come in and play. And we are going to hook them in the inside holes. We're going to hook it in right here. Other inside hole. Now it's a good time to even it out so it's the same length. And we're going to go through the outside holes. Now we're on number 12, so we're going to smooth them back like this. Make them look like little bug antennas. And you're going to hook them on your body connector. Now we're going into, you're going to attach your 4th abdomen piece, spots on them, like this. That is how you make a Asian Longhorned Beetle. Congratulations. And everyone, can I get a what? What?